Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to send an email using Google's Gmail. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a Google account, which also comes with Gmail. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Safari, go to Gmail, make sure you are signed into the account and then click on Gmail. Or go to options, go to Gmail, and now we are brought into our account to compose an email. Go to the left top corner of the screen where we have the navigation menu, main menu, compose, increase the size of the email box itself. Now we can compile the email. Let's just send the email to my work email. Yes. Choose a subject. Navigate to the message itself. I am writing this email. Highlight YouTube, put that in bold, go to a new line. Yes. Tab to autofill. So, who is the email being sent to? Me, my work email. We also have a subject, an email, dear, content, kind regards, and who the message is from. We can now schedule send or send. Now let's just send, enter, click on send. If we go to more, click on sent, and these are all the emails we have sent. If I click on the email that was just sent, we can now quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.